So by they were meeting in court before this court. The evidence that I give before this court is true, nothing else but the truth. So it's in court.
The whole, the entire operation took roughly an hour, Your Honor, in which during the operation, 8 gentlemen were brought together from the different houses. And all of them were assembled at that main house. Your Honor, I may not know much about what happened inside the houses, but after the operation, we managed to recover 2 firearms, there were narcotic drugs, and then there were some written materials. Crime of scene personnel were called at the scene, whereby the in charge by then, Chief Inspector Wahome Kamore came. And he documented the scene and took photographs.
You confirm that Maina Njenga and the other 4, the other 3 I think, were not there in the house.
The other 3?
Among the 8 people you had, it is not included Maina Njenga.
No, he wasn't there.
He was not there.
Yes.
Now, in that context then, can you allege that Maina Njenga and the other 3 who were not there was found in possession of cannabis sativa?
I don't know.
Can you be in possession when you are not in situ?
I don't know the other 3 that you're talking about.
I'm talking about the ones who were arrested after.
Who was in possession of this gourd?
As I said, when I entered...
Who was in possession? You know or
you
don't know?
I don't know.
What was it supposed to be used for?
I don't really
know.
I don't know.
I believe you're an African, correct?
Yes, I am.
And I believe that you know gourds and calabashes, correct?
Yes, I am.
Where do they come from?
They are grown.
They are grown.
Yes.
And what is the character of a gourd? Is it something that is fragile or not fragile?
It is fragile.
Fragile, correct? What that means, if I was to drop it down here, it would break down, it would break into pieces, correct?
Yes.
Have a look at this.
Narua roho